arrived here at Circus Circus today. We've never stayed at Circus Circus, but we've heard some pretty bad stories about the rooms here. So we're gonna walk you through the room first. That's gonna be the most important thing because that's gonna decide whether we're gonna actually sleep here tonight or not. And then we're gonna walk through the casino. We got Adventure Dome. We gotta do that pretty quick. That closes at 7. Check-in was a breeze.
Easy.
Super easy. We did check in not right at 3. We checked in closer to 4 o'clock. You can check in as early as 3 o'clock.
We did use the self-check-in, and I do want to say that it was very easy.
Very simple.
Very easy.
We are staying here on a Monday night. We got the room from it's called the TV ad special. It was $25 plus resort fees. Resort fees, I think, were $35, $39. I can't remember exactly. I'll have to get back to you on that. But all in, this room cost us just under $65. It was $64 and change. When you first come in, we're gonna pass a hallway and a mirror, and we'll get back to that in a second. Just wanna kind of give you this panoramic view of the room. First, we got a king size standard room. We are in the West Tower, which is not too bad, not too far away from the self check-in. We'll see how far away it is from the casino in a little bit. But we got the 2 nightstands. Oh, you guys, I hate the 3 pillows. The 3 pillows is like the worst for me, but we'll survive. I'm okay with 3 pillows when I'm by myself, but Becky's with me today, so we really kind of want 4 pillows. The bed spread here does look dated. The furniture kind of looks dated, but the room smells clean. From the bed, we come over to the lounge area here, and sorry for my tripod right there, but we do have a chair that I don't know if I'd want to be sitting on it too long. Looks a little dirty. It's definitely dated. Looks a little dirty. We got a lamp. And she's just gonna plop right on.
I'm wearing pants. It is dated, but it's a place to sit. It has a little table. I'm not gonna complain. It is dated, but eh.
Okay, we got the AC there, which we're gonna have to turn on because it's a little warm in here, even though Vegas is like 45 degrees right now. We got this big mirror with this desk and chair right here. Very nice place to do some work if you need to. Haven't checked out the Wi-Fi connection yet, but you got another light there. You got about a 32, no, that's bigger than a 32, maybe a 43-inch TV. We do have a dresser here that has 5 drawers, and then when you open up this drawer, it has 2 shelves. So shelves without a drawer. I did notice that the handle here has a little bit of dirt on it, or it's just worn, which is fine. We'll close that up. Almost close it up. Boom, closed up now. And then we come back around here, and this is the full-length mirror right by the entrance, which is good because we've been in some casinos here in Vegas and they don't have the full-length mirror, so I do like the full-length mirror, especially for the ladies who want to see what they look like when they go out. And right across from the mirror, we do have a closet with no closet doors, which I'm okay with no closet doors, 4 hangers, and a safe that I believe works. I tested it out earlier, and it does work, and you have a little rack for stuff.
This is way safer than the one closet door, the barn door that you're not sure.
Oh yeah, I hate barn doors. You give me a barn door, I'm gonna hit my head on it for sure. I don't have an iron or an ironing board, so I'm not sure what we're gonna do about that, but we'll see. Maybe we'll have to request one, and if we can get one from downstairs. Now, let's check out the bathroom. The bathroom is pretty standard. You have a single sink here, the tissue box kind of falling off there, but it's in the wall there, or the cabinet. You got a hair dryer, big mirror with the light right there, so not too shabby there. You got your ice bucket with your cups. They do offer you some soap and some lotion and conditioning shampoo, so not separate. But if you look, like the sink is clean. It does look very clean in here, and it smells actually very sanitized in this restroom. We do have towels right here. They give us 3 towels, a couple washcloths. The toilet, it looks clean right now. It's a little dim in here, so that scares me sometimes. Ooh, I can't see at the bottom of the toilet. Little bit of dirty, but I don't know if that's just because it's old or what. But I do like this. Check this out. I like this about the toilet. I like soft close toilet. See how it didn't slam down? It just kind of went whoop, soft close. You got some artwork on the wall right here. We are missing a towel bar, but it looks pretty clean. We have a shower here with a bar that kind of comes out for the shower curtain. And then we do have the tub.
This bathtub actually looks cleaner than some of the nicer places we stayed at.
Yeah, this bathtub, I was actually very surprised with the shower and the bathtub because the tub does look pretty clean. I mean, obviously you can see some of the grout work down here. Maybe a little dirty, but it is an older hotel.
Exactly.
And then we do have this conditioning shampoo, which they probably used to use the container type shampoo, but it's empty, and it's basically, they just didn't remove it, because on the counter over there we do have the shampoo that they do provide us. So overall though, I'm actually surprised with the bathroom. Besides being dated and stuff, it actually feels very clean. Also, I was like thinking, okay, it's gonna smell like smoke, it's gonna smell like weed, it's just not gonna have a pleasant smell, but no, it actually smells very clean in here. I mean, looking at the carpet's definitely old and has a lot of wear and tear on it. You can see through the camera, you can see some stains and stuff, but I mean, it looks vacuumed. It doesn't completely scare me, but it is definitely an older room for sure. All right, so we are going to take apart this bed just a little bit, because we're like, surface-wise, looks okay, but let's really look and see what we can find in here. How is the mattress, by the way, is not the softest, but we're looking to see, can we...
I get a little freaked out about things.
Well, luckily there's multiple... Oh, this is encased.
Oh, so no bed bug coming out of here hiding in the cracks.
So that's encased.
That's good, because look, they hide in cracks, so there's
Either
nothing.
they're hiding the mattress, or... Ooh, that was a hair, but that was okay. That's on the side. What are you going to do? Let's get this red thing off of here, because I just want to put it in the corner and not have to worry about it.
Okay.
Because the red thing's grossing me out. But the bed-wise...
It's clean?
I mean, it's clean. No, that's just a rip in the sheet.
Josh forgot the black light.
Okay, so yeah, we're pretty good. I don't see anything crazy. Oh, pillows are going to be rough tonight, especially if I've been drinking. Leave that down.
No, this is your pillow.
Okay. Oh, we'll share this pillow. But okay, the bed, I am pleasantly surprised. Now, I am going to show you that the baseboard of the bed, a little beat up, but it's okay. I mean, I expect these baseboards to be not perfect.
But you know what, guys? If you come here, you already know that it's an older room. Now, when I was younger, staying here, I would have been like, ooh, this is so good.
Now that we've shown you the room, let's go check out the Adventure Dome. So we have made it into the Adventure Dome. There is like, when you first come in, I just want to let you know it is free to actually be inside of the Adventure Dome. You don't have to pay anything to come inside. They do have wristbands for ride passes. Regular ride passes are $60. A fast pass is $100. And then I believe they have individual ride passes too, which is a junior pass if you're young, you get $30. And a young fast pass is $50. But you adults, 48 inches and taller, or just people 48 inches taller, you got to pay that $60. But they do this cute photo op when you first come in, and you have the option to buy photos. One photo is $35, another, and if you get multiples, it's like goes to $40. But they were super cute photos. So we're just doing a walk around. We'll show you some of the rides. They have some, obviously they have food and treats, and it's an amusement park. So they got all the good amusement park stuff. They got this beautiful Ferris wheel right here. I love it in the dome. They also do have a cool carousel right here with nice little horses. Oh, look at this little train coming through here. Nobody's on it, but here comes that train. And then if we look overhead, I bet you we can see the roller coaster coming around pretty soon. Yeah, definitely got a bunch of kiddie rides here. They do have a 4D experience, which actually I want to walk through this way real quick. Even though I see the Angry Birds, I'm overstimulated right now because I love how this roller coaster is just coming through the middle of the walkway right here. I didn't even realize it. They have some go-karts right outside right here, so kids can come and run on the little racetrack. It's a little tiny go-kart. That's so cute. They also have lots of carnival games here for people to play. So this is big time Adventure Dome. A lot to do in this Adventure Dome. Oh, another bumper car ride right there. And don't worry, for you adults, they do have some adult beverages, some beers, and slushy drinks. So on the same floor with the Adventure Dome, you're gonna find some shopping. If you want the fish to eat your feet, they have that. You're gonna see the Starbucks up here. And then past the Adventure Dome, we're gonna see more shops. You also get some ice cream, and they have different shops. Looks like a lot of shops are closed. All right, we're gonna explore the food court now. Looks like they got a nice little Krispy Kreme donut, one of my favorites right there. They also, right outside the food court, across some of the slot machines, they have Big Top Eats, which is going to be some pizzas and sandwiches and salads. They do have some breakfast specials here also. Then right across from the Big Top Eats, you do have a West Bar right here, which has the video poker right there. You probably get some free drinks if you're gambling. They did have a buffet at one point. It doesn't look like it's open right now. So the buffet is only open for breakfast. They have an express breakfast buffet from 7:30 to 11:30 a.m. for $19.95. Eggs, potatoes, very basic stuff here. So I don't know if it's going to be worth $19.95 unless you just really want to pig out. A little bit farther down this walkway where there's shops, there's a Del Taco and a pizzeria. Hopefully the pizzeria is open late because we like our late night pizza before we go up to sleep. On the second floor above the casino, you have the Midway, which has an arcade, all sorts of games, carnival games, high-tech games. They also have circus performers, like I said, performing, I don't know if it's every hour, every half hour, but they got some nice little seating areas. And they get to do all sorts of stuff. It looks like they have some, what do you call those, trapeze artists, and some people who like to do some daring stuff here on the stage. It looks like a great, fun thing for kids. Let's check out the casino here at Circus Circus. When you first come in, there's quite a bit of slot machines. The ceiling is very low here. It's very old school style, but a lot of newer machines. I mean, you got Buffalo, you got the Crazy Money, you got all sorts of different machines here. Let's see what kind of table games they have. Ooh, so they do have the digital craps that I do like, and then they have the digital roulette and bubble craps, but they also have the regular roulette, and they also have blackjack, basically all the games that you would need here. I wonder what the table minimums are. Looks like they have $10 minimum here on a Monday night, which is not too bad. Ooh, Attack from Planet Moolah. I do love, they do have a good selection here of slot machines. And look at this, in the casino, they do have coin slot machines. That's wild. You don't see that very often out here in Vegas anymore. So they also have a carousel of slots, and it is actually moving around. If you can see it, it's actually going around. So you can play slot machines on the carousel. They do have quite a cool looking bar here with some TVs. You can watch the game right off the casino floor. And then they also have a walkway to Slots of Fun right here. I've never been in Slots of Fun, so we're gonna go check it out. So when you come into Slots of Fun, it looks like it has a lot of classic and old school slot machines. There is literally nobody here. Like, it is pretty empty. I wonder if this takes the Circus Circus players card. I bet you it does, because it's on their property. So, but yeah, this is pretty dead in here. I mean, not that Circus Circus is popping, but it's definitely popping a little bit more than here. As far as location, Circus Circus is right across the street from the new Fontainebleau Casino. So it's literally just across that stoplight there. We got the Las Vegas Convention Center across the street. And then if you want to walk just a little ways, you guys can see Resorts World right there. That's a little walk, pretty close though. And then the Encore is right there. So not too far from some of the things. You got a McDonald's. Yeah, but then there's really, you don't probably want to walk to the Strat, especially at night because of the neighborhood. And the Strat's right down there past the Circus Circus sign. So not the best location if you're trying to get right into the middle of the strip and all the action. But if you want to check out like Fontainebleau and get a cheap room, like I said, these rooms are cheap, dated. If you don't mind that, it's okay. But you do have a couple high-end resorts or new resorts right next door to Circus Circus. So it's a way to be able to experience those new resorts and just stay here. So right now we are standing on the carousel of slots. Now, if you can see, the background behind me is moving, but I'm not moving the camera. We're just going in a circle like a very slow carousel. And like I said, guys, make sure you guys sign up for your player's card no matter how much you're gambling, because you never know when they'll send you some free stuff. We've never gambled here at Circus Circus before, so I did. That's one of the first things I did was I went and I got my player's card before I put one penny into any of these slot machines, because I want to see if I'll get some comps, because we're going to gamble tonight. All right, let me give you my final thoughts here on Circus Circus, the hotel and casino that everyone says is so horrible and you shouldn't stay here. I beg to differ. I thought that, yes, it is dated. Yes, it is old. Does it need a remodel? Probably. Was it clean? The rooms were super clean. I mean, obviously there's nicks on the furniture. The carpet's worn down. It's not your most up. It's a very, very, very basic room. So if you're looking for something that is just a place to sleep. Oh, speaking of sleeping, the bed, it's okay. It's not the worst. I've stayed in worse on more expensive properties, but I've also had better. You know, I don't like they only give you 3 pillows. We have 2 people here, but actually I slept okay with just 1 pillow. Gave Becky the 2 of them, and it was fine. You know, the bathroom was clean. You know, we checked underneath all the sheets. I mean, it was cleaner than some of the other hotels I've stayed at on the Strip. It's just, it's dated. And then, you know, it's the casino the casino's fine. Like they had $10 blackjack, which I played. They have the latest slots. They had the NFL slot. They had Bank Busters, a new piggy slot. They had a big variety of slots. We actually played some slots we never played before. Those videos will be coming up. Everyone was super friendly. We went to the bar and played video poker and got our drinks. The bartender was super friendly. And let me tell you, the cocktail service around the slot machines, we couldn't drink them as fast as they were bringing them to us. I mean, she was hitting us every 5 minutes. And yeah, we got pretty trashed last night. Not the point, right? The point is, if you want to get good drink service, this was the place to be. I mean, she kept coming, you know, tip her a couple bucks. She's going to come more often. And she kept coming. And then when we left her area and went to a different area, we still got good service. But we came back. She's like, I missed you guys. 2 whiskey and Cokes now. We were like, yep. She remembered. She knew the order. And they were there like super quick. You know, sometimes when they take your order and they come back like a half hour later? No, she took her order. She went, got drinks for everybody, came back. It was all under 5 minutes. I mean, it was great. So that's the fastest I've ever had, and that's why I'm going on and on about it. That's the fastest I've ever had when it came to drink service or cocktail service at the slot machines. So that was good. We walked through Adventure Dome. Cool for a family. I mean, that would be fun if you had kids. We took our kids there a long, long time ago, like 20-plus years ago, and had a great time. About 20 years ago, and had a great time. Location, you know, you got the Fontainebleau across the street, Resorts World just a little bit farther down. Maybe you can make it to Encore, but so location is not the best. And it's on the North Strip, so it's a little sketchy over here at night, but we didn't venture out too much. We stayed inside most of the time. We took a few pictures outside, but that was about it. Pool's closed, so I'll put up like a picture of the pool. We didn't get to experience that at all. They had a lot of food options. Now, nothing, I mean, they do have a steakhouse here, which I hear is really nice, but they have a lot of fast food options. So they have Einstein Bagels, which I'll probably go down and get this morning before I leave. And then they had Del Taco and Popeyes and Pickup Sticks. And there was a lot of food options here also. So would I stay here again? Most definitely I would. If my room is like this, did I get lucky? I don't know. But if my room is like this, I would stay here again for sure. 100%. It was $25 plus resort fee. I was in it for just under $65 all in, which was a great deal. If you're going to stay a couple nights, it's a great deal. I mean, you're just a short bus ride or Uber ride to Center Strip. You're closer to Fremont Street. You've got a short bus ride or Uber ride down there. So it wasn't bad at all. It far exceeded my expectations. I thought that we were actually talking like we might not actually stay here because we were worried the room was going to be so bad. But it was great. So, I mean, what can you say? Dated, but good. Tell me, have you stayed at Circus Circus? What was your experience? Was the room clean? And, you know, there's a difference between dirty and dated. So this room is definitely old, but it was not dirty. It was clean. I felt comfortable sleeping here. So I would definitely stay here again. Would you stay here if you haven't stayed here based off of this? Or have you stayed here and what was your experience like? That's what I want to know. Because sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you get unlucky. But I want to hear from you guys to see what you thought of this place if you stayed here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you next time.